Imagine having a personal assistant that never takes a break, one who's ready to help you at any hour, anywhere, anytime you need it. That's what AI can offer when you know how to use it and know how to put it to work. Here are 5 powerful ways that you can use AI as your go-to assistant for both work as well as learning. First, AI is great for task automation. Let the AI handle the routine, mundane tasks that typically burn you out, that usually slow you down, such as sorting emails, scheduling meetings, generating emails, sending reminders, or any sort of standard report. Allow the AI to free up hours in your week so you can focus on what really matters and moves the needle. Second, brainstorming and creativity. The AI is a perfect brainstorming partner. Let it be your creative partner to help you brainstorm new ideas, explore multiple possibilities, and get unstuck during challenging projects. Let it spark innovation by asking it for alternative solutions, differentiated perspectives, or even drafting those first drafts and mind maps for you to get started with. Third, decision support. Data-driven decisioning has always been a hot topic, but it really hasn't been a reality. Now with AI, you can have your own decision support that can instantly go in there and generate what-if scenarios for any major decisions, help analyze data, help you weigh options before you actually make that hard decision. Ask the AI to help you summarize the pros and the cons, have the AI find the patterns in your data, highlight the risks, and give you the confidence you need to move forward successfully. Fourth, advisory and insights. Tap into the AI's background to help you with research, quick recommendations, or ultimately any sort of advisory or mentorship you need for any sort of expert level knowledge. It can help you across any sort of topic, whether it's personal or whether it's work related. Let the AI surface the best practices, spot the trends, or provide any sort of tailored advice for the projects and goals that you're working towards. And fifth, my most favorite, personal learning and teaching. You can treat AI like your own personal on-demand tutor. It can help you learn any topic. Instantly, you can go in there and it can explain topics, complicated subjects, and even quiz you on anything you're trying to learn. The nicest thing is that AI can teach you at this point in any form factor you want. If you are a text-based, video-based, audio-based learner, the AI can tailor directly to your needs. It can help accelerate learning curves across any sort of the most complicated topics and help you master those subjects. With AI at your side as a 24/7, always-on assistant, there's so many ways it can help you boost efficiency, unlock creativity, and make smarter decisions. Start using these strategies today and learn how quickly AI can help aid you across so many different topics.